This recent Gallup poll finding 71% of Americans now support labor unions. That's the highest since 1965. The top reason, better pay and benefits. And it's easy to see why they'd say that with essentials like food and housing becoming more unaffordable for so many Americans. Dre Clark is showing us how inflation's requiring a lot of people to work longer hours. Dre.
Adrienne, good morning. You may recall during the midterm elections, a lot of candidates talked about the need for more affordable housing. In fact, here in New York, Governor Kathy Hochul says that will be one of her key agenda items when she starts her new term. Meanwhile, a new study from Zillow says Americans making an average wage would need to work an extra 6 hours just to afford their monthly rent payment. The typical rent now across the country now sitting at around $2,040. Here's a look at the top 5 cities in the country with the highest rents. You can see San Jose, California leads the pack with an average rent of more than $3,000, and Los Angeles rounds out the top 5 at close to $3,000. Now, over the past 5 years, rents have grown to closely 37%, while the average wage has only gone up by 23%. So you can see the disparity there. After the peak of the pandemic and rent moratoriums ended, many landlords raised rent substantially, putting many people in a financial bind. Some people are now bringing in roommates or moving in with family members because they simply cannot afford their rent payment. Landlords say it's a combination of 3 reasons why they're raising rent: the high cost of upkeep and maintenance, as well as inflation. Adrienne.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.